Hey guys, it's Tuesday, August 15th. Hope everybody's doing good. I was out yesterday. That's the reason wasn't a video. Got back too late. So I hope everybody's making some money this week so far. Having good trades. We're going to start out. We got news tomorrow here in the U.S. It's just the FOMC minutes, though. It may not be, depending if there's something in there, though, that could disrupt the market. And sometimes the minutes one really doesn't do anything, but it just depends what they say or what they don't say. We're going to start out with the pound dollar. It was in a buy mode, made a move up. This is on the 1 hour. I'm looking for a retracement buy because I don't think it's done to the upside. Retracement buy. Hopefully somewhere down in here. I'd rather get it down in here. Low risk trade, but it may not come down that far. It may only come down into here, and that's on the 1 hour. The 4 hours also in a buy mode, so they confirm. So like I said, it could come just down into there. I'd rather it come down into here, but I don't think that it's going to come down that far. That's on the pound dollar, so it's looking long for the pound dollar. The Aussie dollar's in a buy mode. There is your opportunity. You didn't get that or any of these or this. You made a little bit so far, not a whole lot, unless you got that one. That's on the 1 hour buy. 4 hour is also in a buy mode. There's your low risk trade right there. If it takes that's not your stop now. That's your stop now. So if you have to get in there, that's your stop. Very low risk trade. Hadn't gone anywhere yet, but it could. You have to take the low risk trades. You have to take them. Euro CAD 1 hour is in a buy. There was the pullback right there, and you definitely made money there. Euro CAD 4 hour. Is in a sell mode. It's pushed back up to where the sell came from. Would have rather had a touch up into here to make it a better low risk trade, because that was the only opportunity to get in, was on that right there. And if you got in here, then it's still because it's on a 4 hour. Euro CAD 1 hour is in a sell, and again, that's all you had was that signal, but it did poke up back up into here. So it could come back up into here. That's what I'm hoping, to give us a better sell opportunity. But we'll see shortly. Euro CAD. CAD yen is 1 hour sell. Let's see, here it goes. There's your poke up. There was your opportunity to go short, and you're in the money. The trick right here was a 25.8. Yep, 25.8, 108, 25.8. That's 26.7. $1. That's what you risked right there. Was $1, and now you're in the money. That's why you have to take those trades. You have to. When it's $1, $5, $10, you have to take it, because that was let's see, just check, see how many pips that was. If you got in right there at 25.8, it's been down to 62. So that's over 60 pips. And see, that's what I do, is I look for anywhere from 50 to 60 pips, but I take off half. I don't take it all off, because right now it would be moving my stop. It would be to here. So now that's going to make money, the second half of my trade. So no matter what happens, the second part of my trade makes money also. So I'm not telling y'all to do a half. Just whatever you feel comfortable with, whether it's a 1/4, 1/3, 1/8, whatever you want to do. That's just me. I've just found over many years of trading that half works for me perfectly. That's on the CAD yen. That was a 1 hour sell. The poke up there. The 4 hour sell. There's the poke up again. CAD yen. That was a CAD yen. Aussie yen. It is, I got a feeling that was probably a poke up to see. Yes, it was. See, there was the sell. There was no buy yet, even though it did come up. That was just a retracement back up here. So I'm going to show you again. The high of this candle, which actually your stop would be if you didn't get this, which a lot of people wouldn't have. This would be your stop now. So that would be 94.03, and it went up to 95. That's $8. So you had an $8 risk, and at 95 it's gone down to 32. So see, that's 60 again. There's the 60 pips. I take off half of my position, and now my stop is right here. And so if I got up into here, you're not going to get that exact, but you're going to get somewhere up in there, because you know it's coming up into this. So it's pretty close. So, but this would be my stop now, and it would make money no matter what. So if it continues down, that's on the odd yen. On the 4 hour, may have a better picture here. Yeah, right there. That's where it came up. I'll show you where it retraced. Actually retraced twice. Up there 3 times. See, there was a buy. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see now. 4 hour. Come back down. See, there was a buy on the 4 hour, right? And it just retraced down into here. So it'd been better to come down to here, but it still could if this sells off, because the 1 hour's got to sell. And this could be, there's not a sale that showed up yet. This could be down through here before we head up higher. That's what I'm hoping. That was the odd yen. The pound Aussie got a 1 hour sale. There you go. There's your chance to get in right there. That's your stop if you are in on a 1 hour. But we're going to look at this and see. Blah, blah, blah. No. Yeah, it could be an opportunity there for a short on the Aussie yen. Actually, I'm going to take that because it's too low a risk. It's like $5. So I'll take it. Hold on just a second. I got to get my phone. Okay, I'm back. So I'm in that position, the pound Aussie sell, because it's just the high 63. I got in at 59. Sorry, was it 59 or I thought it was at 60? Let's see. $61. I'm at 61, and the high was 70. Let's say 78, even though it's not. Got $16. $16 risk. I has it. That's all I can lose. It's $16. So I'm willing to take that, because you know, like I do, if this trades right, it goes 60 pips. I'm in good shape. Okay, that's on the 1 hour, the pound Aussie. The 4 hour is made a 4 hour sale, so those are in agreement. I feel good about that, especially when I got a low risk trade, very low risk. Actually, I may add to that if this pushes up just a little bit more and gets it where it's like $6 bucks. That I didn't go full in. No, it didn't. Went half. So I can do another half if it pushes up a little bit more. Get a better price. I won't lose, but I may stick with this. At under $16, it's worth that. Taking a shot on that. Pound Aussie, 1 hour. Pound CAD, 1 hour sell. That doesn't look. That's going higher. That one's going higher. I don't like it. It may come down into here, but I think that's going higher. That was your opportunity to go short if you wanted to go short. But see, there's the buy on the 1 hour, and it just came down here. I want it down here, down into here. So I'm hoping maybe that will sell off and it'll come back down here. I got a feeling that's going to go a little bit higher. Pound CAD, 4 hours, not anything on it yet. So pound yen, made a 1 hour sell. So that's, looks like that's going to go higher too. It's not the best opportunity to get in, even though the 4 hour, so both of those are in agreement, 1 hour and 4 hour on sales. So low risk trade. The high 85.30, and it's trading at 05, so about 25 pips. It's a little bit more than what I like to do, but hey, it could work. I have done those where they've been $25 risk. And Euro New Zealand is in sell mode. There was an opportunity to get in on the poke up right there because you liked it a little bit higher. Let's see, stop is 183.58, and that went up to 28. No, that can't be right. 28. So that's 27. So that's a little bit much for that, but 1 hour's in a sell. Hours also in a sale, and there was the poke up right there on that candle to get in short, but your stop still goes right there, that high. Don't put it above it, there's no need to. You just put it whatever the high, that number is. Now Euro New Zealand does got a big spread, so you may want to do a couple of extra pips because of that, because I think it's like, what's for me anyway, it's 5 to 6. Sometimes it's even more than that. So you could do a couple of pips above this high on the 4 hour. The 1 hour and the 4 hour in agreement on sales for right now. Pound New Zealand is on a 1 hour sale that follows the Euro New Zealand pretty much. And 4 hour too. So both of those in agreement, 1 hour and 4 hour. On a sale. I'm going to look at the Euro New Zealand one more time. I just don't think that's done to the upside. I mean, that's from these. I like it, but I don't know that it's done to the upside just yet. So, but that's just me. Now New Zealand, see, New Zealand yen is in a buy. See, it just ran away. You didn't have a chance. Nothing you can do about it. That poke down is nowhere near enough. 186.27. Why is that doing that? Mm-hmm. 25. 186.25. 186.49. So that's $24, which in case is not bad. I just like them down here. I like them down in here better. So I'm hoping this is going to come down to here, and then I can go long. But it may not. That's a New Zealand yen on the 1 hour, the 4 hour. Don't see anything. Buy. if that came up into the sell right here. No, we have not come back close to that yellow line. Nope. So we could be doing a push-up New Zealand yen. That'd be a good one to look at, even though I want it down further to have a low risk buy. It can still turn up, but I'm not going to chase it. There's plenty others to look at. Don't have to chase it. I'd rather have it down here. If I didn't get that and it's run up, then I want it down in here somewhere for a buy. Euro yen, 4 hours of sell. There's the spike up right there. That's a good one. I may have to look at taking that. Let me look at the 1 hour. The 4 hours got a sell. The 1 hour's got a sell. There's the only poke up. Wasn't quite good enough. So there could be another move up into here. I may wait on that one. May wait on it. If it pushes up, then I may take it. If it pushes up and doesn't take out that actually it's 32.4. Well, I know better than that. That is not 20. Maybe it is 32.20. Yeah, I'm gonna stay away from that one. Euro yen. Now if you got that poke up there, then you're fine, because you got a low risk trade. Euro yen has come down. Yeah, I'd like for it to come back up into here, but we'll see. Euro Australia's in a 1 hour sell. There's moved down. It's retraced back up into here. Now see, here's this thing. If you got in that, that was your stop. If you look to get into that, that's your stop. So we're going to take, for instance, that you got in here. The high 69.25 pretty much. The high 69.11 pretty much. So that's $14 risk, which is good. It's in my parameters. And you would be in money now. Let's say if you got 10, not 11, and it came down to 45, so you got 55, 65, so there's your 60 pips. You've taken half off, and that's on the 1 hour. Now the 4 hour it's in sale, so those in agreement. There's your little poke up right there to get in to make it a low risk trade. Now you're in it. We're going to see what happens. If this pushes down back into here, this becomes your stop, that high. If you're in it, the short on the Euro Australia. Alright, well that's it for today, guys. We'll have another video tomorrow. Have no plans for tomorrow. And please hit the like and subscribe button if you would. I'm not trying to get 100,000 subscribers and 10,000 likes like all these other people on YouTube do. I think they spend most of the time, and if you've watched them enough, which like what I have, they spend a lot of time talking about that. Hit the like, hit the like, hit the like the whole time they're on, 3 or 4 or 5 hours a day. So you got to concentrate on your trade and be able to look at all these different currencies. I know some of them just look at just gold only, or look at the GBP JPY only, or the Euro USD only, and that's fine. But whenever you got all these other countries, you can see from all these other currencies I've showed y'all, there's plenty of opportunities. You don't have to look at just one. If you don't always talk and try to get people to hit, the like and subscribe button, then you can concentrate on these just like I do. It's taking less than 10 minutes. But all I want you to do is I want to be able to help people. It's not about trying to get a $50, $100 check or whatever from YouTube. I make a lot more trading than I do getting that stuff. So you have to ask yourself, are these guys really making money trading consistently, or are they using a demo account So you got to make sure they're using a real account, putting that real money. If they're using a demo, they have nothing in it. That's why they're going to try to push getting as many likes. But I just appreciate it. It just makes me feel better that I'm helping people if I know that my likes and subscribes start getting higher, that people are getting helped by my trading strategies, which I think I said this before, last week and the week before. They're going to be doing live stream. I may wait till after Labor Day, because August, the brokers, the analysts, and all them, they take off the whole month of August, and they don't come back until after Labor Day that week. So the trading will be heavy, back to heavy then. And now, right now, August, it's not. There's not, the volume's not there. So there can be manipulation going on. Could be whipsaws, stay in tight trading ranges. Which, if you found out, if you trade gold, you found that out. It has stayed in a trading range the whole month of August, and it's going to continue to do that. So I hope you guys have a good evening and continue good trading. You're welcome to ask any questions in the comments section. I do get back to you fairly quickly, but now I do go to sleep. So those of you that's overseas, I'm not going to get those till I wake up the next morning. So please be patient, and I appreciate it. And we'll talk to you guys tomorrow, if I can close this out.